Hello, welcome to African World Traveler, and we're in Blackpool today. We got the air show in Blackpool 2024 in Blackpool. It's nice and sunny, and there's a lot of people about, as you can see. Let me flip the camera around, let me show you what's going on. And welcome to the channel, guys. There's people all over the piers. See, as you can see, just by the cabin. And we're gonna take you all the way to the town center, and look at it there. Even on the sea, there's boats out there, speed boats. See, so everyone is enjoying the lovely weather, and there's the red arrows in Blackpool. The air show been going on for the whole weekend, and it's Sunday today, Sunday afternoon. It's not quite 4 o'clock yet, but it's nearly 4 p.m. And we're gonna see the red arrows, the typhoon, and the RAF, all of that. So stay tuned, follow us. We're gonna show you what's going on in Blackpool Town Centre. So follow us, let's explore. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Look at that boat there. Everyone is making the good use of the weather, man, because winter, who knows how long this summer gonna last. So stay tuned, let's show you what's going on. Ooh, look at that there. Display, guys. Yes, guys, we got a lot of that to show you. So let's go. We're gonna show you what's going on in town, and there's a lot of fishing going on as well. So can you imagine coming fishing and watching the air show as well at the same time in Blackpool? Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. People having picnic, it's running around. It's like a family day out. There's a lot of things going on, man. So we're gonna take you all the way to the tower. Look, it's picnic. We'll take you all the way to the tower way, just to show you about this air show event. So stay tuned and follow us. Let's go. Let's get closer and nearer. Then you can see the display. Look at that. Wow, look at that. That looks like a fit. Yeah, it looks like a fit, isn't it? Wow. Amazing. People launching, casting, fishing. People rolling the back here, enjoying all that. Yeah, everything going on. So it's all good, man. People having fun. So guys, follow us, let's go. We don't want to miss this show. So it's a lot to see. Oh. Alright, we ain't got much time to waste because we want to get closer and nearer because we further down by the gain, by the gain square or the gain roundabout. So we want to get close to the tower. That's where everything is happening right now. So let's go.